Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2017 Ford Escape Titanium. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, tow hitch, rear park sensing, your backup camera. We do get some roof rails as well with some nice black and silver accents along this vehicle. We got blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors with a nice remote start on this vehicle, which is perfect for those cold winter months. License plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the blip up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You get a light, little 12-volt hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Got a little cargo cubby there, and you do get your storage underneath with your spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, you got adjustable rear seats with rear vents, 115-volt outlet, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Got a little storage cubby right there. Plenty of more door space up front with memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You got your lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 178,333 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, volume, playback by Ford, phone, voice. We got our cruise control and toggle-free screen with some paddle shifters. Looking at our screen here, though, we do get trip 2-in-1, notifications or information, and settings. To remember, we've got our gear select, parking brake, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. You got your center console here as well with more outlets down there and upper storage. We do get dual climate up front with heated front seats, auto stop start, traction, heated steering wheel, engine starts up. We got a Sony sound system with your dispense for your CD, hazards, you can turn your screen on or off from here. Storage below, we got a sync system. We got our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter. And looking at our home screen here, we got a navigation, audio, and phone. For your navigation, we do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls right here. Your navigation, any apps you may download will show up right here with your SiriusXM travel link, and your settings such as your Bluetooth, mobile apps, Apple CarPlay, you got valet mode, and ambient lighting. Shifting the car to reverse, though, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LB11812A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.